Up guys, are you a small content creator trying to figure out lighting? Does this look like trash? I think it does. Do you want to go from this to this on a budget? This is what I was using before, like 30 bucks a piece off Amazon. Super harsh lighting. These things are trash. Guys, stick around. Let's look at some budget lighting that's awesome. What up guys? So today we're talking about some budget lighting my lovely wife happened to get me for my birthday. She got me two of these. Let's check them out. GVM P80S2. I think you guys will be happy with these. Let's dive in, see what's in the box. All right, let's see what comes in the box. GVM Great Video Maker. We got the GVM P80S quality control card, the manual. Start with the bag here. The grid. The softbox itself. And the diffusion panels, inner and outer. Mounting ring for the softbox. Nice that it's Bowen's mount. Nice locking ring for the softbox. The light itself. Very high quality plastic. I was kind of impressed when I unboxed this thing. Power supply. And cord for the power supply. And we have a light stand in another box. All right, guys, so today we're talking about the GVM P80S2. This is the second rendition. The first one, the P80S, the only difference that I'm aware of is they've upgraded the cooling on this to have more of like a heatsink design rather than a solid piece of stainless here. Pretty good construction, all plastic, and it feels pretty high quality plastic. I mean, for the money, you can't expect much more than this, honestly. So we've got a standard mount for a light stand, and then we also have a mount here that you can mount an umbrella in. I don't have an umbrella, so we won't be looking at that today, but umbrellas are pretty basic. This is fan cooled. I haven't noticed any noise on this thing at all. Super quiet. I mean, my mini fridge in the corner makes more noise than this thing does. The P80S, this is a daytime bright light. This is a 5600K light, so this is not bitone. You can't get cooler or warmer. It's 5600 locked in. It seems to be pretty accurate. The light shining on me is another one of these. Yeah, it puts off some good light. I'm impressed with it. 80 watts for the power, so it's on the lower side of the power band as far as these lights go. So if you're running a room much bigger than mine, this might not be enough, but for me, this is plenty. And I have two of these, and it's going to be insane when I get this other one fired up. This thing is plenty bright for anything I'm doing. Let's plug her in and check her out. All right, so on the back here, pretty basic controls. You have a display here that's going to display the percentage of power from 0 to 100. You have your knob here. That's the only controls on the light. So let's turn her on. Have a click. There you can see we're at 1%. Maybe you can't. I don't know. 1% power. Then we'll turn her up. And she's climbing. That's max brightness right there. That's pretty damn bright. Ugh. All right, guys, so here we have our Bones mount for the light, and then our ring for the softbox. So to mount these two together, literally all you have to do is remove this thumb screw And there's 2 screws with washers right here. Slide this underneath them. And then just screw in your thumb screw. Now that's one piece. Now, softbox has a bunch of spokes sticking out. These spokes clip into this ring, into these. And then there's a little clip on here with where a bungee cord slides over. So you're going to slide this in here. Then you're going to pull it down and hit it with a bungee cord. And that'll hold it on there. All right, once you get all those in place, all you have to do is pull these down until you hear a click and they're going to lock in place. These will fold over on top of it and hold it in. Just go around and lock them all down. Finicky at times. There you have it. Now, this softbox came with an inner diffusion panel and then an outer diffusion panel, a smaller one and a bigger one. So here's a small one, and literally all you have to do is Velcro these little tabs in. Velcro tab, Velcro tab. All you got to do is hook them together. That's the inner diffusion. Outer diffusion is literally just Velcro on Velcro. I'd put this about halfway up because I plan on using the grid to prevent spill on my background. So I'm going to be installing a grid, so I'm going to put these closer to the bottom of this strip. There you have it. The grid, this is how it comes wrapped up. I haven't even opened it yet. And just like the other stuff, this is all just Velcro. There it is, 2 layers of diffusion and a grid installed. Now the light simply slides right in like that, clicks into place. It's locked in. So what are my final thoughts on these lights? I think as a small creator myself that hasn't made a dime off of content creation at this point, I would definitely recommend these lights. On Amazon, you get a 30-inch softbox with a grid from a company that's been around for a long time, a light, 80-watt COB light. So what you're getting is a stand, a softbox, and the light for $145. I don't know if you guys have priced COB lights before, but they could be upwards of $1,000 easy. $600, $700, $800, $1,000, $1,500. They get way up. A bundle that comes with everything for $145 on Amazon, I think that's a pretty good deal. And the light that these things are putting out, you can't go wrong. I mean, these are gonna up my production quality, I have a feeling. by a lot. So let me know in the comments, guys. Is this something that you're interested in? Would you pick these up? As a small content creator, are these worth it? I think these are worth it even if you've been in the game for a long time. They're lightweight, easy to maneuver. They don't have a battery. That's the only downside I could see to taking them to a set. But everything else, I can't find a con in them. Let me know, guys, if this is something you are thinking about picking up. Do you enjoy this content? Drop a sub, drop a like, hit the bell for notifications. Till the next one, stay lucid. Oh wait, I almost forgot. If you guys are looking for a teleprompter to help you in your creation, check out this video. Peace.